Have you ever found yourself asking this question? Maybe you're looking for a new way to save money, earn rewards, or simply have a more convenient way to pay for your everyday purchases. If so, you're in the right place. Let's first understand what Favepay is all about. Favepay is a popular mobile app that offers a variety of features, including cashback, discounts, and loyalty points. It's a great way to save money on everything from groceries to dining out. However, sometimes we all need a change of pace. Top alternatives to Favepay. So, what are some of the best alternatives to Favepay out there? Let's dive into a few. Cashbackly, known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of partner merchants, Cashbackly is a solid choice for those seeking cashback rewards. It offers a simple way to earn money back on your purchases. GoMoney. If you're looking for an app that goes beyond just cashback, GoMoney is worth considering. It offers a variety of financial services, including bill payments, money transfers, and investments, making it a comprehensive financial solution. Opay. Opay is another popular app that offers a range of services, including payments, transfers, and loans. It's particularly well known for its convenient payment options and extensive network of merchants. Kuda. While Kuda isn't strictly a cashback app, it's worth mentioning due to its innovative features and focus on customer satisfaction. Kuda offers a variety of banking services, including savings accounts, debit cards, and loans. Favepay. Favepay is a versatile app that offers a variety of financial services, including payments, transfers, and loans. It's also known for its cashback rewards and loyalty programs. Choosing the right app. Now that you have a few options, how do you choose the right app for you? Consider the following factors. Features. What features are most important to you? Are you primarily interested in cashback, discounts, or a wider range of financial services? Partner merchants. Does the app have partnerships with the merchants you frequent? This can significantly impact your savings. User experience. How easy is the app to use? A user-friendly interface can make a big difference in your overall experience. Security. Ensure that the app has robust security measures to protect your personal and financial information. There are many great apps out there that offer similar features to Favepay. By considering the factors mentioned above, you can find the perfect app to suit your needs and start saving money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.